really pleasantly surprised with the build quality on these. Seem to be machined. I don't know. I feel, just in hand, a lot better than these little toothpicks they give you. Then I add a bit more weight. I'll probably weigh them and tell you just how much, but yeah, this is going to be a bit of fun. Second thoughts, all the gears coming off. Handlebar's got to come out, and as you can see, mine a little lowered, so I'll take everything off because I didn't do that when I lowered the handlebars and kind of busted some stuff. So yeah, that's how we start. Step one complete, remove the handlebars. I think this is how I'm going to do it. This is a look at my shortened bars. I basically just took an angle grinder to it, so they sit lower and kind of gave them a bit of a lift and backwards a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Oh, and in case you're wondering, yeah, this is the original headlight. I just put spacer bolts here and cut the back off and tape it up. You know, it works. Now the best way I see this happening is to attach a big boy spanner here with the wheel off and kind of twist it. So that's already moving. Movement is good for breaking things loose. Ta-da! Easy. One off. Side by side comparison. This was holding my wheel on. As you can see, it got pretty mashed up. There's this chunky boy. A bit more meat on him. Definitely gonna hold that wheel in a bit better. Straight as well. I just want to add a bit of a curve to it. So I don't know what that's gonna do for me. Install's just the same, if not a bit gentler. Just a little wiggle wiggle and you'll get there. Shouldn't need too much pressure. This is the bit I never get. My wheel never ever on these amped bikes has the axle come out. You know what I mean? Never. It's just weird, right? Like, what's it going to tighten to? Not itself. Just because I thought by upgrading to the suspension bolts that would alleviate that problem, like it was some dodgy thing with these little toothpicks, but apparently not. So I will get a bigger axle for the wheel, I guess. I don't see any other way of doing it. Am I wrong? I'm wrong all the time. 9 out of 10. Am I wrong with this? Gotta admit, that is a much better look. Feel like the wheel's almost straight. Don't pay attention to this. It's never that. Yeah. Alright. Without the bits on, I'm not sure if I'm liking the two-tone. I might need to get black handlebars. I don't know. When the stuff goes on, it might have good contrast. Alright, chisel on, saving some cable management. That's the overall look. But, yeah, I don't know. Maybe a little two-tone. What can I say? Good so far though. Definitely have to spray those bars black now. And then top and tail, black and black. See how it goes. Looks gnarly. All done. Ready for the main voyage. Cable management sorted. Everything is looking tippity top. Super happy to try this out. ride. Suspension makes a completely different ride. Hyper smooth. Wow. For the front end anyway. Not so much for the rear, but you know, you get what you get. Oh, easy car. What up? Looking pretty special. Whoa. Anyway, in summary, I would definitely recommend putting front suspension on your amp bike if you haven't got it. Front forks that come with it, the rigid ones, just no good. And yeah, the front forks just add so much. Nice. And nice and cushiony. Alright, that's it. You've had enough of me.